I am Renny Krui from Egerton, presenting to you about grafting in citrus fruit. Our rootstock will act as the lemon, and our scion will be the orange. These two are used because they are compatible. The tools that we will use in this is our grafting. We will have our grafting razor blade and our tapes, grafting tapes. I have my scion from the orange. So when I want to fit this scion into the rootstock, that is our lemon, I have first to remove the leaves. So this is how I'll remove my leaves. I'll remove my leaves in order to fit into the rootstock of the lemon. So here is the process of the removing the leaves so that I can fit it into the rootstock of a lemon. So then I'll make sure that it will fit into the rootstock of our lemon fruit. So I'll chip both sides in order to make it to fit. So I'm chipping it. So this is the process of chipping it in order to fit into that our rootstock, that is our lemon fruit. So this is the process of chipping it. So care has to be taken so that you cannot injure your hand when doing it. Yes. Stock, we will have to cut the top part in order so that our scion, that is our orange, will be able to fit into our rootstock, that is the lemon. So this is the process of cutting it, and then we will slice it. So this is the process of chipping my root scion in order so that I will fit my, this is the rootstock where I am cutting it so that I will fit in my scion, that is our orange. I'll insert my scion into the rootstock. The process of inserting, that is the scion and the rootstock. So remember, our rootstock was the citrus lemon fruit, and this is our orange. So this is the process of tying my rootstock into the scion. I tie it firmly so that it will be able to be firm and obtain the obtain water from the root. So you ensure that you tie it firmly so that it cannot fall. So this is the process of tying my rootstock into the scion. Ensure that you tie it firmly. So this is the process of tying it so that it can be firm and it can obtain nutrients from the rootstock. So I've developed in these areas here. So after developing of these parts, you will have to untie the masking tape, so it could have united. So development of parts here, it could have developed leaves that it will use to synthesize the food, and it will continue to grow. So we have done our grafting here. This grafting has more beneficial purposes. So we do grafting in plants that do not have any other way of propagating it. That done, you cannot use seeds, you cannot use you cannot use even their vegetative parts. So this will be their appropriate way to propagate them. The other thing is that it lowers the maturity. Some can take a longer time to mature if we can take their seeds. So you will have to use this grafting in order to lower the time of maturity. Another advantage of grafting is that we can use to repair broken rootstocks with the other scions. So this one will be an advantage when it has broken there. So we are doing the grafting of a lemon, that is our rootstock, and our orange, that is our scion. We do this because the lemon has a better rooting capacity compared to an orange, while orange also is very good in producing its fruit. So this pair very goodly, and they are very compatible. That is why we will prefer to use them. So that is their advantages. So that the orange will benefit from the better rooting ability of the lemon, and the orange which has better fruiting capacity.